Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai vehicle guys. If you have a Hyundai vehicle, you want to know what are the symptoms of bad engine mount, how a bad engine mount can cause quite a bit of damage to your engine, exhaust system, cooling system, electrical system. Stay with us, we will explain that as we go guys. Now, we'll demonstrate on a Hyundai Sonata, but the same will apply to multiple Hyundai vehicles, models such as Hyundai Sonata, Elantra, Tucson, Santa Fe, Hyundai Veloster and Accent as well. All that will be covered in today's video. So let's go ahead and explain what are the symptoms and how it can cause quite a bit of damage to your Hyundai vehicle. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your Hyundai guys, okay, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can save you even more money and provide even more videos. Now, if you have a Hyundai, you want to check guys our second channel, it's called Electrical Car Repair Live. We're going to share so much helpful information about diagnostics, engine codes and things like that there as well, so definitely check it out. So looking at it guys, okay, this is a 2013 Hyundai. On most Hyundais, especially with 3-4 cylinder engines, you will have 3 engine mounts. One will be right here holding the engine on the passenger side, it will be this one right here. Then you're going to have another one, okay, that actually supports the engine on the driver's side, which is known as a transmission mount. It's under that box right there. And then you have one underneath guys, and that underneath is actually known as a lower engine mount or torque strut mount, and the purpose of that one is to actually make sure the engine doesn't move that way, okay, up and down, so it keeps it in one certain position. Now, when the engine mount fails guys, okay, they can fail in multiple ways. They can crack, they can break. Underneath, most of them on bigger, especially bigger Hyundais, they might be hydraulic fluid. That fluid actually catches the smallest vibration, so your car is nice, running, smooth Hyundai vehicle guys. Now, when they fail, what you can expect, you will guys feel, okay, vibrations, okay. Vibrations at first will be small, the more the mount breaks, the bigger they will grow. For instance, you'll feel vibrations, the dash will be vibrating, your seat will be vibrating, engine vibrations, okay, because the engine vibrations will not be stopped by the engine mount, and they will be transferred to the body. So in that case guys, okay, vibrations will be felt even more at, let's say you stop at a traffic light, at lower RPMs, or accelerating, sometimes you can feel them as well. Also, your engine will kind of sound noisier too. Why? Because those vibrations make the metal kind of like rattly, so it will sound a little bit louder. And something else now, when that engine mount cracks guys, that will cause engine movement. Now that's super dangerous. Why? Because engine movement guys, first, okay, it's going to make your vehicle unstable. You can actually feel that engine movement if you hit the brakes all at sudden, or you accelerate fast, take a corner fast. If you hear a clanking sound or the engine moving, you feel it. That could be because of a bad engine mount. Also, that engine moving guys will, okay, you have a flex pipe on the exhaust on most Hyundai vehicles that can actually break guys. So it can cause damage to the exhaust system. That will be expensive to fix. Hoses may break, you have multiple hoses, vacuum lines, okay, and even the radiator fan will be on the front. We have it removed now. Can be actually damaged by moving engine not supported by a good engine mount. So we will always recommend to replace them as soon as you can, because it will make your vehicle safer and you will avoid more damages guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having a Hyundai vehicle. Thank you for watching and see you next time.